Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny Dancing in the Moonlight and 77 Nails water slide decals. Now I've already gotten started with my base coat and today I'm using Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Moonshine Manny's Dancing in the Moonlight from her Dupe It project. And I'm going to go ahead and cap my free edge first on this one. I don't always do this, but sometimes with the shimmery polishes I do. It just depends on how I'm feeling. How the polish is acting. Gotta get Woody. Hi Woody, how you doing? He had to hop out here right off the beginning. Alright, so we're going to get this first coat put down. Now the formula on this one, I'm not going to say it was bad. It was just different. It had like a jelly-ish kind of vibe to it. Ooh, Woody back again. Alright, one coat down. We're going to go in with the second coat. Now, in the end, this polish is gorgeous. It is so bling-tastic. Some hollow-liciousness going on with this one. Got our second coat down. We're going to get a clean-up brush out after this corner. Alright, two coats down. We're going to top it with some I&M out the door. Gotta get this dry down so I can apply these water slide decals. And of course, I'm gonna make it look hard. Here is a swatch photo. Isn't that so pretty? So 77 Nails water slide decals. These came on a sheet. The other ones I got are like full nail, full, cover your whole nail with it. But these you actually cut out the ones you want to use. And I'm going to be honest, I thought this was going to be the bomb diggity bomb, but these really don't show up very well over the base color that I used. God, y'all, did y'all see that? I had my scissors on my fingers backwards. Just crazy. The girl's crazy. Alright. So, these were, you could still see them, and you will see them, but they just didn't show up all that great on this base color. I just thought it was going to be perfect, but, there wasn't enough contrast. Saying that, I did wear this manicure. I wore it for like a week. So, all good. So, I'm figuring out which ones I need. I need a couple of more. Go ahead and get this little rose. And I love these. And I love that they did some Halloween decals that aren't in the traditional Halloween colors. Oh, gotta get that little moon. Oh, that's so cute. Like dripping moon. But I did love these. And I just really wanted to play with them. It's been a minute since I did water slide decals. Now, you guys know, I always struggle with water slide decals. I don't know why. They should be easy. It's just not that hard. But, I always seem to have a problem. And it doesn't matter how I do them. I make a hot mess of it every time. Okay, so I trim these out just a little bit smaller, just to make them, easier for me to deal with. I like it like that. Alright, so I got a little bowl, and I've got a lint-free wipe with some water down in the bottom. And there we go, flip it over. And I'm just getting them wet. Used to, I floated these in a cup of water, chasing them all around the cup. And I do like this method way better. It's going to work out way better like this, because you just have to make them release from the backing paper. I got my little cube stamper out. And you can see I didn't leave these sitting for a long time or anything. Just a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to try to slide this. And to be honest, I don't know why I can't get things like this down. I don't understand. But I'm patting off some of that water, some of that excess water. And then I'm going to try to line this one up on my little tiny fingernail here. So I had to kind of go corner to corner with it. And that looks pretty cute. Like I said, these don't just show up like bam in your face. But it's still noticeable. It's not like they're hard to see. Gonna tap that one off too. Looking at it. Oh, I've got a piece of it flipped up. Okay, we're just gonna have to roll with it. Okay, can't do that. Okay, so now I've tried to add a little water to uncurl that little bit at the top. And then the whole decal came off my stampers. Now I've got to re-dab it. I think I got it worked out, though. Not too bad of a struggle bus, but it's there. Then I'm going to be out of frame. Oh, how lovely. Perfect. Beautifully perfect this one is. Alright, so I'm going to fish another one out of here. And this time I'm going after it inside of the bowl. And, of course, I got it on there backwards, so now I'm... I just hope y'all aren't as ditzy as me when it comes to stuff like this. I didn't get frustrated with it, though. I just kept bumping along. I'm like, oh, look at what I did. Alright, get another one out. Now, I love water slide decals. I love the simplicity. And, you know, you don't have to worry about, you know, does this one look like that one? Like with stamping, sometimes you get, you know, really good images and sometimes you don't. But this is, the struggle is with these little short nails and me actually getting it from the backing to my stamper with the right side up. Y'all's girl is just, she's swimming in it. But it's not too bad. I mean, not terrible. It wasn't a train wreck. Alright. Got them all on there. So now we're going to put our stamper away and get out our cleanup brush. I do have just a teeny bit sticking off the edge of this one. And I'm just going to melt that with the acetone. And this one too. Only a couple of them needed some attention. But we're going to give it the attention it desires. So here we go. Now that base polish is so stunning. I love it. So I'm just tapping across the end trying to, you know, get that little bitty bit. And I'm telling y'all, it was the tiniest bit. Get off there. Alright, I think we're good to go. I think we're almost there. I'm just going around the edges here. Being a ninny, cleaning it up. But we're going to get there. We almost there. But I do like to do my cleanup before I top coat. I want everything ready to go. There we go. Today I'm going to top these with the I&Ms out the door. I'm going to get that to seal those little decals in. And they're super thin. It wasn't like I had a little bump or anything to mess with top coating. And I really did have fun with this one. And I really liked having like a pastel Halloween manicure. I thought that was pretty cool. And throw some hollow in on top of it. I'm thinking, yes. It's like a Snickers candy bar for me. I love it. And there we have it. Got the last one top coated. Alrighty, and here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this. And that will be it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.